morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now, I tell you guys this every single time. I go to Swagbucks because you guys can go to the actual coupons.com site through Swagbucks and you get points for every coupon. Now, if you guys are new, you can only print two coupons per coupon, whatever, per site. So then what I do is I go to mypoints.com and I use my husband's information on a different browser and I print coupons from that because you can print off 2 times. So I do have a referral link below. If you guys join, you guys get bonus points when you join, but what I end up doing is I save my points for when I need them, or I save them usually around Christmas time, so you guys can get some good deals with that. So let's shut up, Jennifer, and look at the thing. I'm going to print off these Lysol coupons. I feel like Lysol has been super on sale lately, and with my flooding that happened, I need a lot of cleaning products to clean up some of the stuff that we're going to be cleaning up once everything gets put back together. But other than that, they got all this stuff. Kellogg's is $1 off of 2. Now some of this stuff looks like it did reset or I never printed them off, but we have a $2 off a Vino lotion. More of the Vinos is still available. Gold Bond is still available. Purina Cats, if you guys need cat litter. I would love to get cat litter, but I stocked up like a year ago and I have like probably a 5 years worth of cat litter. That's crazy. But we got $3 off Schick razors. I somehow stopped getting Schick razors in my inserts lately. I don't know why. This is a great coupon, you guys. A 5 off of 3. And then we have this new $2 off Garnier Fructis hair mask. It's something new. I'm gonna print that off. I know with the inserts there's a 4 off of 2. I didn't get that, but you never know what you can do. And that is pretty much it for inserts. Or not inserts, for coupons to print. The $3 off Glad Bag is still available. I'm going to print off the refreshers, and those are still available, and these are still available if you guys haven't printed those off. So I'm going to find out when that Colgate coupon expires. Sometimes it takes like a while, and then sometimes it might expire within the next couple days. So it expires on February 1st, so that's a pretty good deal. And I'm going to print those and go right back and print them again. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.